Install automobile key clamp on CP-09. Insert 2 decoders into the machine.
Yeah.
Press Setup and first Next button to enter the clamp calibration interface. It is a very important step, please don't miss it. Press Start button to calibrate the distance between decoder and cutter. Fix calibration block on the top level of clamp and pay attention to the position. Click the picture of Prepare Tip Align Laser key to continue. Click the picture of Change Tool to Decoder. Ready? To continue. Select image of automobile key clamp and click the picture of Prepare Tip Align Laser key to continue. Press the Close button to go back home page and press Setup button to Device Setup Interface. Press Decoder button and choose Automobile key clamp to calibrate the decoder length. Remove the right decoder and insert a cutter. Press Cutter button and choose Automobile key clamp to calibrate the cutter length. Press Close button to go back to the home page.